I thought we are hearing in the news that he might be getting
I've
a pardon.
been hearing since 2-3 years already.
Okay.
If these bloody fools can hide the Adamden, can hide for 1 year, bulan ke-12 baru he said yes, we go give. See, when you hide a decree of a sultan, it is a crime, nerhaka, not?
Yeah.
Anybody has been charged?
Not so far.
That time who some of the AGC or what AGC? Everybody said there's no such thing.
Okay.
Actually, the thing was there. So this is all cheating, isn't it?
Yeah.
Nothing will happen. So I told Rosma, I'm in contact with her. I told her he's going to rot in jail. I even have done 2 videos to scold the anak. I say Anwar Ibrahim's anak, she was bergolek on the jalan, for the father, But you 3 people are useless. Done nothing for the father.
Okay. All right.
You must start the crusade. If you don't want to start, why should I start?
Okay.
It's your father, what?